make slime. How to make slime. So, this is cloud slime, but we're gonna make glow-in-the-dark slime from Michael's. You can get this kit from Michael's. It is glow-in-the-dark slime.
So cool. Okay, we've opened the box. Want to show us what's in the box?
So, this is more in an advanced package than the last
Yeah.
one.
What are some of these different things?
So this is the Elmer glue to make the slime. This is the activator.
Okay.
So, this.
So that's what it looks like when you finish successfully.
No, it is not. This is slime.
Oh, that's slime?
Yeah, this
Oh, it's not glow-in-the-dark slime.
This is other slime I've made.
Yeah.
It might have a little sparkle if it's sparkly. Okay.
So you're putting in the blue stuff first. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Cats are optional.
That's our pet Luna.
Our pet Luna.
It's fine if we get Luna's face in the video. Meow. It's fine if we get Luna's face in the video, right?
Of course. Luna.
Okay. I guess this is enough.
That's great. Why don't you put the trash in the box so we don't get it on the ground?
There.
Perfect.
Then we got activator.
Activator.
Open this. Don't put too much activator on it.
Oh, really? What happens if you put too much activator?
It could get sticky
Uh-huh.
or it just doesn't turn out. It gets all gooey.
It gets all gooey.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to use my finger?
No.
Let me see. Ugh. If I can use my nail. Oh, that's tough.
It's watery.
Oh, can you use the top there to poke it? That work?
Yeah.
There you go. When in doubt, poke at the top. Activator.
Can you go and get a?
Oh, a spoon?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'll be right back. I want to get a spoon. Here's the spoon. Looks like someone didn't need it, though. Look at those blue hands. Warning, this may make your hands glowy and blue.
Well, no. It's just gonna make your hands glowy and the glue.
Don't do this project if you're afraid of getting dirty.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't put your hands in it. That's
But if you like getting dirty...
actually, you actually need to put your hands in it so it actually mixes it.
Oh, so these are two different colors. There's blue and then yellow.
Yeah.
I see you could make two different slimes. So now what she's doing is this special thing where you go over and over and over again in order to...
Make a slime.
Here.
This is what the bowl slime looks like.
We'll speed up this part as you're making that. So you just do that for a really long time until it's not super slimy. That's good. Are you checking to see if it can glow? Yeah, so this will take a long time. She's doing a little one.
We're gonna see if the glow-in-the-dark slime actually glows. Okay? I'll just bring it in the bathroom. Yeah. Oh, no, come in. Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Look how glowy it is.
That's incredible.
It's more turquoisey in the video, but it's actually less glowy
It's
in
amazing.
life. And it's like more green. Watch episode 2 of Karen Makes Slime.